discuss all about the Singleton pattern. Definition. A particular class should have only one instance. You can use this instance whenever you need it, and therefore avoid creating unnecessary objects. Real-life example. Suppose you are a member of a sports team and your team is participating in a tournament. When your team plays against another team, as per the rules of the game, the captains of the two sides must have a coin toss. If your team does not have a captain, you need to elect someone to be the captain first. Your team must have one and only one captain. The Singleton pattern in CSharp ensures a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it. Following are the key rules for Singleton. 1. Private constructor. The constructor of the Singleton class must be private to prevent direct instantiation from outside the class. 2. Static instance variable. A static variable of the class type is declared to hold the single instance. 3. Static factory method. A static method is provided to return the instance, creating it if it doesn't exist yet. 4. Thread safety. In a multi-threaded environment, ensure thread safety during the first instance creation to prevent race conditions. 5. Lazy initialization. The instance can be created lazily, when needed, to improve performance or avoid unnecessary initialization. Please check the code example below. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.